Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. সবাইকে শুভ শারদীয়ার অনেক অনেক শুভেচ্ছা ও অভিনন্দন. Wish you all a very happy Navratri, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to create this beautiful Durga Puja makeup look. So if you wanna know how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching, but also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So starting off with hydrating my face, and I'm using this Crystal Micro Essence. This is a very lightweight product and this is full of hydration and it looks beautiful under your makeup. Then I'm using this LANEIGE lip sleeping mask because I'm gonna use a liquid lipstick today, and this is gonna keep my lip hydrated throughout the day. Then I'm using this tea tree face serum. Now this is the first time I'm using it, and this is quite good underneath your makeup. This is hydrating, and especially if you have oily skin, this kind of serums under your makeup is really good. But if you have dry skin, I would suggest you to go for a moisturizer, because we are going to use a lot of products on our skin and we want our skin to be nice and hydrated. Then I'm using this setting spray instead of a primer, and this is gonna make my makeup even more long lasting. Now that I'm breaking out again, I decided to color correct my face a little bit, and I'm using this shade wherever I have a little bit of acne scars or breakout. And I'm so sorry you guys, my voice is cracking because I'm sick. I had fever, now I have sore throat and whatnot, so please excuse me for that. I just wanted to make this video because I know that you guys were waiting for this. Okay, next I'm using a concealer underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, around my mouth, wherever I want to hide those darkness. And I have really dark circles because I was sick, as I mentioned. And this concealer is so good, you guys. It's very easy to blend, it's transfer proof, it's full coverage, and it's gonna stay on you throughout the day, especially if you have oily skin, if you have pigmented skin, or if you have acne scars on your face. This is a must buy. Okay, now let's move on to the foundation, and this product is my #1 foundation for festive season. Okay, I only use this foundation if I have an event going on, if I am attending any wedding, or if there's any festival going on. I prefer using this foundation because this is transfer proof. This looks really nice on the skin. This suits my oily skin perfectly. This is my perfect match, and this foundation is so good, especially if you have oily skin. Just try it out once, I'm sure you'll love this. Then to set the cream products on place, I'm using this loose powder. This is so finely milled, I really like it. And especially under my eyes, if I don't set it with a powder, the concealer and the foundation, they crack and settles into the fine lines, and it looks really bad. So yeah, use a loose powder to set underneath your eyes. And then whatever was left in the brush, I just quickly ran it through on my cheeks and forehead so that the entire face makeup sets. If you have dry skin, you don't have to necessarily do it, but if you have oily skin, make sure that you are setting your face. Then I'm using this microfine brow pencil to outline my brows a little bit and to fill in the gaps in between. And then also I'm gonna use a powder, and as this is a festive makeup look, I just want my brows to look perfect. And also you guys, I am gonna try a new trick today. So this is something I have never tried on my channel before. Also, I have never seen any YouTuber doing this. So today I'm gonna show you a beautiful trick, and it makes my brows look perfect like never before. Okay, first I'm using this brow powder and fill in the gaps so that there is no bald space left, and then I'm just using the spoolie and running it through my brows so that there is no blotchiness left. Okay, then I'm taking a clear soap. This is a glycerin soap, and then I'm using a setting spray to wet it a little bit. Then I'm taking some product on my clear spoolie and using it as a brow setting gel. And you guys, trust me, this product stays on you throughout the day. It just made my brows look like I have brow lamination on. Then I'm using the same setting spray again to set the base products on place, and then I'm moving on to the eyes. For my eyes today, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Foil Frenzy eyeshadow palette. All of the shades are super metallic and super stunning, and can you see it? Oh my god, it's so beautiful. And always remember, you guys, be it a shimmery shade, a glittery shade or a metallic shade, they apply beautifully with your finger, because you have that warmth in your finger that makes your eyeshadow melt and apply beautifully on your eyelid. Okay, so first I applied it with my finger, and then with the help of a brush I'm just giving it a shape. You don't have to be precise, just try to make a shape the way I'm doing it. You guys can totally see it like how I'm doing it. And yeah, and once that is done, I'm taking this champagne shade and I'm using it to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. You don't have to be precise, just do it the way I am doing it. At first it might look a little messy, but trust me guys, this is going to look stunning at the end of the day. Okay, then I'm using this liquid catsuit only in the middle portion of my eyes, where exactly the eyeball is. So this is going to give some dimension to my eyes. First I applied it with the wand, and then I'm tapping it with my fingers so that it sits well on the top of that metallic eyeshadow I have already applied. And then whatever was left in that wand, I'm just running it through my bottom lash line. Then I'm gonna create a wing, and this eyeliner is super inexpensive and super bold black, and I quite like it when it comes to liquid eyeliner. So I'm gonna create a wing. You can see the way I'm doing it, and it's a very easy process. If you practice it, you are gonna ace it. And once it's done, I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm gonna take a bronzer shade. You can take any bronzer that you have, and I'm just blending the edges of that eyeshadow. You can see it was looking really stark, and then I'm gonna blend it with a bronzer to make it look perfect. And after that is done, whatever was left in that brush, I will just quickly run it through my bottom lash line so that everything looks seamless and blended. Now moving on to the lashes, and I'm gonna be using two mascaras today, as I don't use falsies. So I'm gonna use two different mascaras. One is gonna give me length and the other one is gonna give me volume. Now moving on to the blush. So first I'm going to use this pink shade on the apples of my cheek, a little bit on my nose and on my chin, and then I'm going to use this coral blush, and I'm going to use it on the highest points of my cheeks, like on my cheekbones, a little bit on my nose and on my chin. For my contouring and bronzing today, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Ultra Contour Palette. I'm mixing these two shades and applying it under my cheekbones, a little bit on the cheekbones as well. So I'm using it as a bronzer and also as a contour, as I'm not gonna separately using them. Then for my highlighter, I'm using this Flower Beauty highlighter, and I'm taking this golden shade and applying it on the highest points of my face. You guys can see this is super smooth, super blending, and perfect for festive season. and then finishing off with a liquid lipstick. Now you guys can see this is the star of the show. Okay, it looks so beautiful on every Indian skin, so I thought of sharing this with you in this particular video. If you have budget and you are looking for a perfect red lipstick, just go for this one. Okay you guys, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. That's the finished look, and I thought of using few gold jewelries today because they were going well with the look. And yeah, do let me know if you like this makeup look or not, and let me know in the comment section below your thoughts. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.